Hello, welcome to Legacy's Little Luxuries. This is going on my YouTube channel, so I have to watch what type of music I will use. This is my Christmas, another ornament I've come up with. I purchased 4-inch balls and cut them in half, and I'm going to make a half globe ornament using extra leftover materials. And I just place them across the flat side of the ornament ball and then add material. Play with your ideas. Nothing is original, nothing is perfect. I learned how to quilt ornaments with a Mary Maxim ornament kit. You can still purchase them today, but I learned to do this back in the 90s, and she came out with some really beautiful ornament kits, and one of them, of course, was a snow globe quilted ornament. And then once you learn the technique, you can just go hog wild over what you want to make. And then this one is the hearted ornament from the half globe bob. And now here's the tree. These are the ornaments that I have created thus far in September. So getting ready for Christmas. My Christmas theme is Kiss. And there is a concert coming up in October in Detroit, Michigan, at Little Caesars Arena. So the theme this year is Christmas. Find my YouTube channel, subscribe, help me build my channel, and we'll see you again on TikTok.